We're going to start by using our foundation primer. Now I'm going to sketch my design using Immortal Kajal. Now I'm going to do the guy for my school. Right now I'm going to do the beauty side, and then I'm going to do the Halloween school side. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Build and Blend foundation drops in the number 10 porcelain. To set my foundation in place, I'm using the pressed rice powder, mattifying and perfecting in translucent. For the eyebrows, I'm going to be using the black brown eyeliner. Since I'm doing this cool, very hot pink, I'm going to be using this. This is Velvet Matte Cream Lip Color in Brocade. I'm going to start by applying it on my eyelid, then we're going to blend it with a brush. Now I'm going to jump into my Everyday Glam palette to add some highlight and some depth. For depth, I'm going to use the color black, and we're just going to blend everything in here. And now I'm going to be using this shimmer white to add some highlight. Using the leftover of the pink that I have on my brush, I'm just gonna add a little bit of color under my eye. Using my 50-50 black eyeliner, I'm going to do a line on the lash line so I can add some lashes. To make my lashes look big and very black, I love using Double Agent Mascara. It has two sides. I always start with the side 1 and then reapply the size 2. I'm also going to add some baked bronzer to make this side look a little bit more alive. And now that our beauty side is done, it's time for our school side to be done. The base of our school is going to be white. For that, I'm going to be using the Immortal Kajal in Purity. Now with my 50-50 eyeliner, I'm going to do the details of the teeth. And for that, I always recommend to start from the center. Do a line in the center and then add one teeth to each side. For example, you start with the left, then you go right, then you go left, then you go right. That way, the teeth are going to be centered and they're going to be the same size. Now for the shadow, we're going back with our lipstick, and I'm going to apply some of the lipstick on the back of my hand, so I can grab it with my brush and blend it in. I'm going to start by adding the pink where you should normally would have shadows. For example, if your face is cut this way, you will have shadow that comes from under the skin. What I'm doing now is adding dimension to my skull by adding shadows. To continue with details, I'm going to fill black all the areas that's supposed to be black, like the chest area, inside of the skull area, and I'm going to remark again the edge of the cut on the face. For that, I'm going to be using my kajal that comes in the 50-50 eyeliner, and we're going to simply start filling up all the holes. Now that we made it to this point, to make your makeup look more professional, the only thing you gotta do is add details. For that, I'm gonna go back into my palette using the black eyeshadow to add some more shadow around the teeth and on the separation of the skull and the beauty side to give it more dimension and the details that is gonna take your makeup to another level. Well, and this is the final look. As you can see, it was really easy to create. If you want more inspirations and makeup tutorials for Halloween, don't forget to check my social media at Marianne Palettes. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, let us know in the comments what's your favorite product from Palladio. See you in the next video. Bye!